In this video, we show how to place the system cover on a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. Do a teardown of R6725. So remove the cover, you turn the lock counterclockwise, then lift the latch, and then lift the cover off the system. To install the cover, align it with the system, and close the latch, then turn the lock clockwise to lock it. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.